This ain't no cartoon, you shark food. Hurry up, swim for the shore, or wrestle with jaws if you think you built for this war. I was born from a long line of cast iron. Survive on the streetwise grind, combined with the mind of a scientist and the heart of granite. Sharper than diamonds, discard a planet, inscripted within the star patterns. How the gods planned it. We were put here for a good reason. From the mountaintops to the highs, the Cypress Hills, so the entire world sees it. We put our pain into these words, breathe life into these bangers. Y'all relate to every verse and feel our anger, feel the love and hate, feel every emotion possible. Shock you like a suicidal explosion in a hospital. Rock you, shocking every vital nerve and killer instinct, fighting every homicidal urge that's living within. Every individual cell and molecule in your body, every fiber in your trigger finger shooting the shotty. That's the turning point. In other words, the point of no return infernally. I've been told that my soul burned for eternity. Answer to a higher power. Truth as far as I'm concerned. You can't tell me nothing, motherfucker. It's my universe.
The universe is ruled by the strong prey on the weak. The sky's owned by the dawn.
This is a lesson. So follow me, let's travel at magnificent speed.